my dudes? Welcome back. How are we feeling? Are we blessed? Of course we're blessed. We've got a roof over our heads. We've got air in these lungs. Positive train, keep it moving. You know what I'm saying. Guys, listen.
Oh my God, why you guys listen? Just tell us what you're gonna do. I'm gonna scroll down and look at the title.
Whoa! Don't spoil it. Come back. Okay? Oh my God. Right, listen, this was a request. Okay, I seen it in my comments and it just dropped. So I figured, you know what? I've got a bit of spare time right now. Let's get on with it. Let's get it recorded, get it done. You know what I'm saying? Of course you do. So, let's press the button and see who it is.
Oh, come on, man. Just press the down button. Let's see it. Come on, man.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So, this is KSI's new song, Anne-Marie for KSI, or it's KSI for Anne-Marie. I don't know. I'm just going off from the title. These two farm animals don't play. Okay? Not heard it, but let's see what it's all about. Are you ready? Of course you're ready. That's why you're here. Ooh, that voice though. Now
the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah.
All that time on your own with me.
Oh, 1 minute. I just got lost in that voice. I completely got lost. Right, KSI, you ready?
Don't play,
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street.
Oh, they're doing that old boxing thing, you know, when you do the tennis balls. You know what I mean? You know what I'm on about. But this beat, though, is proper upbeat. It makes me want to dance.
Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
don't play games with my heart.
No, that's a spicy little beat, that, you know. Nice little segment there, KSI. Very nice. Her voice, though.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit
What's that there? It's like, reminds me of Marshmallows. Oh, what's his name? Dead Mouse, you know, the massive mouse, and he had all the neons on it. Yeah. This one's a pig. Very tidy beat, though. Very tidy.
everything you're saying. Yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine.
Two place where it takes two to tango. You know what I'm saying? It does. You know, you can't just keep giving and never receive. You know what I'm saying? So, like, you know what, like I'm saying, like, even to create a conversation, it takes two of you to talk. You know what I mean? If you're going to give somebody all your time, you're not getting none back. They can't fault you for walking away. You know what I'm saying?
Don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've for us to ride. No,
Don't play games, don't play games with my heart. Ooh.
It's a very subtle track, you know what I mean? It's like, it's got a nice upbeat to it. It's not too bass crazy. It's got a crazy, talented voice on it. You've got KSI rapping on it as well. Yeah, very, 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 very good song.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play. Don't play games, don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play.
Caboose! She just got knocked the fuck out. What's that? Okay. Yes! You're all winners now, guys. Love it. Absolutely love it. But let's take this track. What we saying on it? What we saying? Bars, beat, flow. We're saying the lyrics were there. The lyrics were there. There wasn't like KSI didn't go too crazy, but you can't fault it. The lyrics were there, even especially as hers. Even though she was singing mainly, you know, the lyrics was there. The beat, I liked it. It was very up tempo. It made me want to dance. Very soft. It wasn't crazy. It was soft. I liked it. And the flow, it worked. You know, you can't fault this track. It's a good track. I can't find any faults with it. So, guys, from me, gets a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Guys, listen, it's been an absolute pleasure. As always, I'll see you on the flip side. Take care.